Detective Meiosis.
Starring Nicole Calcano and Leah Egan.
Hello, my name is Detective Meiosis, and on this episode of Meiosis Detective, I will be investigating the death of Marie, Maya, and Meiosis. They have recently passed away, and I will be talking with a few of the town's citizens who knew the triplets to see if I can find the criminal who killed them. Hello, me again. My colleagues have just informed me on new information from the triplets' death. They have informed me of their background life. Their parents went through interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. They then proceeded to go through prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2. They went through 2 divisions, which means they divided twice, which resulted in their daughters. Their 4 daughters were Minnie, who is still living, and their 3 triplets that have died, Mia, Maya, and Maria. The 4 sisters are haploids or monoploids, which means that they have half the DNA from each parent. This is from their parents' DNA crossing over. Their parents' D have crossed over during the meiosis period to create the 4 daughter cells. During meiosis, the 2 parent chromosomes cross over to create variety. This is the father chromosome. These chromosomes are the mother. When you add these 2 in prophase 1 of meiosis, you get mixed chromosomes. This is used to create variety throughout the species. Come in. Sit down.
Howdy!
What's your name?
Caroline?
And how do you know Marie, Maya, and Mia?
Oh, well, I'm their cousin.
Cousin, you say? Alright, I'm going to ask you a few questions about the situation at hand. Is that alright?
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright. When did you last see them?
Well, I was at their house 10 days ago, and we were just relaxing and hanging out because we were in interphase.
You were with them for a few days before the crime?
Yes.
That seems a little suspicious to me, don't you think?
Well, no.
Oh, alright, I'll keep that in mind. What else were you doing with your cousins?
Well, our single-stranded chromosomes replicated, which consisted of 2 chromatids, and it was held together by a centromere.
Was that during interphase?
Yes.
Alright, and then what happened?
And then we started prophase, where our chromosomes became visible. Our homologous chromosomes came together and formed a tetrad. The segments crossed over, and then that's what caused the variety.
Well, that information seems to be accurate, according to my sources. I have one more question for you. Did Marie, Mia, and Maya seem okay that day, or were they anxious, as if someone were after them?
No, they seemed fine to me.
Oh, alright. Thank you for your time. I'll be in contact with you soon.
Alright.
I hope you're not the criminal, because you seem very genuine.
Oh, well, thank you very much.
Yes. Nice day. Well, Caroline seemed nice, but I should really watch out for the quiet ones.
Hey y'all, I'm Rasputia. I'm here for the interview. Sorry I'm late. I was just working my shift at the Cluck Bucket.
It's alright. Just have a seat. Have a seat.
Alright.
Goodness. Well, just sit down now.
Alright!
So you can get on with the interview. I'm guessing your name is Rasputia.
Well, yeah, that is what I just said.
Alright. Please stay calm and restrained. You are a suspect in this case, so please cooperate for mine and your own sake. Now, are you ready to answer a few questions?
Well, yeah, just hurry up with it.
Alright, now, how did you know the 3 girls who have recently perished?
Well, they would come into the Cluck Bucket every couple weeks and they would just order themselves some chicken and biscuits.
Alright. So do you have any information on how or why someone would murder them?
No. Why would I know that? I just served them some chicken and every so often we would talk.
Okay, you talked, you say. So when you last saw them, what were you doing all together?
Well, they stopped into the Cluck Bucket and I was sitting and having a meal with them and we were...
excuse me. Weren't you supposed to be working?
Yeah, I was. Anyways... We were going through metaphase, and our nuclear membranes were all disappearing and stuff, and it was alright because we formed spindle fibers. the fibers attached to the one side of each centromere, and then it was just all good.
Did anything happen to your homologous chromosomes at the time?
Well, yes. They attach to the microtubules at opposite poles of the cell.
You say opposite poles of the cell?
Yeah, that is what I just said.
Well, you claimed to have not seen them in a few weeks, right?
Yeah.
Alright, but you were supposed to be working when you saw them. That is a little suspicious, I have to say. Well, alright, thank you. I'll have to keep interviewing and be in touch with you later, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
All
Ma'am,
right.
how old do I look to you?
Good day to you.
You refer to me as Miss
All right.
Rasputia.
We do have offices in the hallway. Good day. Rasputia seemed to have a large attitude and wasn't working when she was supposed to. I'll have to receive more information before I can make my decision. I need a long lunch break after Rasputia.
Oh, well, hello there. I'm Minnie. I'm here for the interview.
Well, you're a little early. It's my lunch break.
Oh, well, that does look mighty fine.
Alright.
Oh, don't mind if I do. Thank you.
That was my lunch, but I'm not going to fight with you. I guess I'll just get on with it. Anyway, so you're Minnie, and you are Marie, Mia, and my sister, I'm guessing. Alright. So sorry for your loss, but we are going to have to ask you a few questions today as you are a suspect in the case.
All right.
Where were you at the time of death, Minnie?
Well, I was at Disneyland, of course.
With anyone?
Yes, I was with my husband, Mickey.
So you weren't with your sisters?
No.
Well, when were you last with them, and what were you doing?
Well, it was a while ago. I was riding home from a day at Disneyland with them. And we were going through the process of anaphase, and the microtubules of our spindle fibers shortened and pulled our chromosomes towards the poles of the cell. Each pole then had a complete diploid set of chromosomes.
Well, actually, Minnie, during anaphase of meiosis, each pole has a complete monoploid set of chromosomes, or haploid is another word. So, you said diploid. I'm very confused. Can you please?
Oh, well, everybody makes mistakes.
What?
Everybody has those days. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. Everybody.
Sit down, Miss Minnie. Thank you very much. This is no time for games. Anyway, is there anything else that you would like to tell me, or is it time for you to go, Miss Minnie?
Well, after the anaphase one, we went on to a telophase one, and our nuclear membrane reformed around our daughter nuclei, and because of the crossing over that previously occurred in prophase 1, the two sister chromatids are not identical, and that creates variety.
Yes, someone did tell me about that. Anyway, is that all?
Yeah.
Because if I think so, it's time to leave. And I didn't have a lunch, so I'll have to go out now. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right. Thank you.
Goodbye.
My thoughts on Miss Minnie are, she is the three girls' sister, so I am sympathetic towards her, but I cannot use that as an excuse to exemplify her from the case. She very well could be the criminal. However, she did get her story wrong, and that is a huge red flag in the detective business. More on that later. Who's there?
Willow.
Willow who?
Willow tree.
Is that supposed to be a knock-knock joke?
Hey, man.
Are you kidding?
No. I'm here
Sit down, please.
Chairs are too mainstream also.
Alright, just sit in the chair, please.
Alright, I don't need any conflict
Yes,
today.
that's right. Okay.
Alright.
I have no idea how you would know the sisters, so please explain.
Well, I just really like to meet new people, so I just walked into their house. You know, I'm a free spirit, man.
I'm going to have to look into that to see if that's breaking and entering. But anyways, where and when were you with them last?
Well, I walked into their house randomly, when we were all in Prophase 2 several days ago.
And what were you doing during Prophase 2?
Well, in Prophase 2, our nuclear envelopes broke down and a new spindle formed.
Alright.
And I'll tell you what we did in Metaphase 2, too.
Great job.
In Metaphase 2, the spindle fibers connected to both sides of the centromeres.
Alright. Okay. Keep going. Is that all?
Yeah.
Alright, let me just finish typing
I'll
now.
catch you later, man.
Well, I wasn't done, but I guess I got enough information for that one. My thoughts on Willow Tree, you ask? Well, she was quite a free spirit. Well, something good about her, her information was very stellar. Something bad, she did leave early without letting me finish my questioning, which I thought was kind of suspicious. Come on in. Come in. Come on in.
Oh, sorry, dear. I didn't hear you over the purr of my cat.
No pets in this room. I'm allergic. I'm allergic to cats.
This is family.
Oh, no, let's make it quick. Oh, no, I can barely breathe. Okay, alright. So, who are your grandchildren?
I have grandchildren?
You remember Minnie, and then Maya, Mia, and Maria?
Oh, yes, yeah. I was just with them the other day.
Alright.
And, well, we were in anaphase 2, and our spindle fibers contracted, and the chromatids went towards opposite poles. And you know what happened after that?
Oh, what did happen after that?
We went into telophase 2.
Oh, that's just
and
lovely.
I know! And the nuclear envelope reformed around each of the daughter chromosomes. And then, by that time, we had 4 new daughter cells.
Oh, how lovely. That is a lot of information.
I know!
You seem like you don't have the best memory. Could you have possibly killed 3 of your 4 granddaughters and you don't remember?
Well, anything is possible, dear.
That's not good. That's not good. Alright. Is that all?
I don't remember.
I think that's all.
Alright.
It's 3 p.m. You better get home to sleep, you know. It's
Oh,
getting
yeah,
late.
I gotta feed my cat.
Alright.
Alright. I'll see you later.
Okay, alright. The poor grandma, I don't think remembered her name because she didn't give it to me. But one good thing about her was that her information seemed to be accurate. I liked that she talked about anaphase 2 and telophase 2. However, she did not have a good memory at all, and I'm afraid she would have not remembered if she unfortunately did something bad with her grandchildren. I mean, she could not remember anything.
Who do you think did the crime? Stay tuned to find out on this episode of Meiosis Detective.
The murderer was no one. During the process of meiosis, 3 out of the 4 daughter cells died due to natural causes. They then go on to become hormone regulators. Therefore, none of the suspects were convicted, not even Rasputia. Alright, good day. That in the what's it called? When did they cross over?
I don't know.
Okay. So we can get on with
Well, they used to come into the cookbook a lot. You know, they would just
order some chicken and some dip. You know, I really like that honey mustard, and they would just come in every couple. Stop improvising so much. Alright, just start that over. Damn it!
Okay, I'll start over. Did anything happen to your chromosomes? Your homologous chromosomes, that is?
Well, yeah, they attach to the microtubules or whatever for the opposite poles. What the?
Alright, I'll start over.
Oh, see him here? Do you know what?
Good day!
Well, it's not a good day anymore.
Good day, we're not putting that in. Gonna record, okay?
Alright.
Excuse me, I can hear that now.
Is the duck head in the background?
No. My shoulder's
Oh,
covering.
can you move that?
Oh, it's not in the background.
Okay, ready?
It's good.
With anyone?
Sometimes I go with my husband, Mickey.
And sometimes with your alright. Let's start over.
I'm just an old lady with dementia and a mustache. I don't even know Maria, Maya, and Mia.
It's Marie.
Marie, Maya, and Mia, Osis, because I have dementia. I don't even know why they brought me in here. But if I have dementia, that means I don't remember, right? So I could have killed them. Oh well.
Where were you at the time of death? Disneyland time.
I
Okay,
didn't
ready?
know we were going that far back. Okay. No, but sometimes I go with my husband, Mickey.
Alright. I don't even look at you, I just pretend to type.
Stop laughing, it's not
Okay,
funny.
Well, don't say like, well, no! Okay, just have a Where were you at the time of death?
Well, I was in Disneyland, of course.
I can't. Well, you told me to stop laughing, so, okay, ready?
Just smile with that half of your face that's over there.
Okay, ready?
Okay, yeah.
Where were you at the time of death?
Well, I
said Minnie. Okay,
and they
ready?
called me Mrs. B. I was like, what?
Where were you at the time of death, Miss Minnie? Can we start this whole thing over, please? Oh, we don't
Hot
have
sauce
pizza.
got in my throat.
Okay, ready? Well, when you were with your sisters, last time you were, what did I just say? Okay, ready? Okay, ready?
We're gonna cut out my husband, Mickey? That is
Yeah.
so good. No, we need this to be funny.
Where were you at the time of death?
Well, I was in Disneyland, of course.
With whom?
Well, myself.
You're supposed to say it with your husband, Mickey. You just said that.
No! Oh, just kidding! Okay, we can...
Shoot, what just happened?
Wait, I'll make them stop. Hey guys, wanna stop talking?
You're supposed to fall asleep on me, idiot. Fall asleep on me. Alright. Oh, don't be so tired. No, she was so tired from 3 p.m.
Yo.
sleeping. Be diddy.
Ready? First name, Willow. Last name, Tree. I wear my hair ready for like Will Smith, and I am a free spirit. Word.